morning everyone, welcome to our assembly. I hope you all enjoy your number activities today. Now I have with me members of the sports ministry, Teddy, Charlie, Violet, Poppy and Jaden, to tell you about an event that's coming up in the next couple of weeks.
On Friday, the 21st of May, we'll be having a COVID19 Superhero Fun Run as part of our annual Challenge 26 fundraising event.
All children will be required to get sponsors and raise as much money as possible, and our charity for this year being Get Kids Going.
The Sports and Health Ministry have collected ideas from all the children and we will announce their names now.
Heroes during lockdown: doctor, nurse, teacher, scientist, Boris Johnson, the Queen, shopkeeper, parent, police, fireperson, postman, builder, vet, lifeguard. Of course, we have our other superheroes: PJ Masks, Iron Man, Batman, Spiderman, Catgirl, Black Panther, Paw Patrol, Spider-Pig, Thor, the Hulk, Groot, Spiderman, Aquaman, Captain America, Wonder Woman, Green Lantern, Falcon, Robin Hood and Ant-Man.
The sponsor challenge will be to complete 26 laps of the field as quick as possible. We look forward to seeing all of your outfits.
You certainly have plenty of outfits to to choose from. Now, it's important we start collecting our sponsor money early, and the forms will be advertised on social media in the next couple of days. So we hope you enjoy the event. Now for our attendance results for last week. In third place, we have Hazel class with 97.2%. In second place, we have Cedar with 97.7%. And the winners with 98.1% is Larch class. So well done to everyone in Larch for last week's attendance. And now let's see who's been nominated this week.
To understand the many gifts we hold and help each other as we take morning, everybody. We are at Lordswood fantastic readers, aren't we? And week on week, you prove to me and everybody else how great you are at it. So well done for all your efforts, because it makes such a difference to your learning, doesn't it? This week in Buster's Book Club, there were some great totals. And winning, I think not for the first time, we have Maple class. So brilliant, Maple. 22 out of 30 of you reached your target, and there was quite a lot of extra minutes too. So well done, keep it up. Morning everybody, it's fluffy book time. So who has won our house points this week? 4 very high totals actually, and 2 in very close to each other, the first and second place. But with a absolutely terrific 753 house points in 1 week is Arethusa. So very well done, Arethusa House.